I started this channel a little bit over a year ago, and I've already got 7,500 subscribers, which is awesome. I thank you guys for subscribing and watching my channel. And to show my appreciation, I am going to be giving away some lights as well as a CD that I worked on and that I play lead guitar on. And I'll give you a little bit more information about that. Just stick with me to the end of the video to see how you can enter to win. Right now I'm just going on a little bit of a drive. I haven't been out in the Jeep very much lately. I was sick for a couple of weeks and I'm all better now, and I plan on doing some more overlanding videos for you guys soon, so keep an eye out for that. Over the past year I've done so many wonderful things in this channel. I've gone overlanding, I've gone rock crawling, I skydived for my wedding anniversary present for my wife, which was amazing. We did some on-foot trails. We did all kinds of fun stuff. I do have a video planned for a Jackery versus Blue Eddy, which I think a lot of people are confused at which one is better and which one is better for the bang for their buck, I guess you can say. So keep an eye out for a video on that topic soon. So let me tell you a little bit about this contest. So once I reach 8,000 subs, which is only 500 subs away from now, I'm going to be giving away the set of lights that I had on my Gladiator. I'm going to send those with the brackets, but I'm not going to send the mounting bolts with it because they were steel and they rusted out pretty bad. So the only thing you're going to have to go out and do is get yourself, go on out and get yourself some stainless steel bolts to attach this to your Jeep. The CD that I got, this is called KLA Fractured Mirror, and anybody that knows me knows that I'm a huge Kiss fan, and I play lead guitar on every single song on this. This is a tribute album that has a bunch of Kiss songs on it. This album was made for 100% proceeds going to breast cancer research, so if you don't win this contest and you'd like to get a copy of it, just send me a message and I'll be glad to send you one your way. How I'm going to do this contest is I'd like you to like and subscribe to this video and to my channel, and then leave a comment on this video on YouTube. Don't leave it on Facebook, leave it on YouTube that you want to enter this contest, and I'll put your name into a raffle. Once I hit 8,000 subs, which is only 500 subs away, I'm going to do a live raffle and I'm going to choose the winner from the people who leave a comment on this video. So good luck to all of you, and I want to thank each and every one of you for joining my channel over the past year and watching my videos. Without you guys, this wouldn't be possible, so this is appreciation to you guys. Thank you so much. I'm not to the point yet where I'm going to open up a Patreon page. It's going to be in the future. I will be doing one, but at this point, I'm not quite there yet. So if you guys have any footage that you would like to see, just leave it in the comments or send me a private message and I'd be glad to hear from you guys.